take your braid and begin to wrap it counterclockwise around your ponytail, wrapping your ends underneath your braid as you go. So there we have it. I can't wait to hear what you think. Definitely leave a comment.
What deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame.
So gather all the hair above your temples and just clip it up out of the way. Then gather another section an inch or two down from your first one, and once completely sectioned off, secure it with a small hair elastic. Grab onto your lower ponytail and pull it up all the way through. And how cool is that? Now pinch and pull out your twist to add some texture and volume, and this hairstyle is so simple.
Make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so. When there's no hope loving for you, who saw me before I knew who I'd be. What I have around me means nothing to me if I can't share it with you. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. What I don't close the door, waiting the chance for when